Dear students, in this session, we are going to discuss all the book questions, that is multiple choice questions found under solid state. About 25 questions were given. On discussing all the questions, you may be understanding the solid state concept, all the concepts involved in solid state thoroughly, and you can attend any question in competitive examination. Now, graphite and diamond are, both of them form covalent crystals, and therefore option C is the correct one. Then an ionic compound AXBY, crystallizes in FCC type structure, face centered cubic type structure, with B ions at the center of each face. So B ion at the center of face. A ions occupying corner. Now the correct formula is asked. So it is the face centered cubic lattice. The corner atoms are occupied by A. 8 corners are present. The contribution of corner atom for a particular cubic unit cell is 1 by 8 and therefore 1. So A atom is present to the extent of only 1. If we go in for face center, there are 6 faces, 1 top, 1 bottom, 1 front, 1 this side, 1 back side, 1 this side. So there are 6 face centered atoms. The contribution of this atom for a particular unit cell is 1/2, because it can be shared by the unit cell which is present above. This can be shared by the unit cell at the side, likewise. So there are 6 atoms, contribution 1/2 and therefore 3. A atom 1, B atom 3, and therefore the molecular formula will be A1B3, which is nothing but AB3. So option B. The ratio of close packed atoms to tetrahedral hole in cubic packing is. So the ratio of number of atoms and the tetrahedral hole and octahedral hole may be, if we have n atoms, then tetrahedral holes will be n, 2n. Number of atoms is equal to n. So tetrahedral holes will be 2n, octahedral holes will be n. So in this question, the ratio of close packed atoms n to tetrahedral hole 2n, therefore ratio 1:2. Upon simplification, we will be getting 1:2. Then solid carbon dioxide is an example of molecular solid. At all the positions, the molecular carbon dioxide molecule will be occupying, therefore it corresponds to molecular solid. Then fifth question, monoclinic sulfur is an example of monoclinic crystal system. Yes, it is true. Monoclinic sulfur belongs to monoclinic system, and for a monoclinic system, A is not equal to B is not equal to C, and then alpha is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degrees, but beta is not equal to 90 degrees. That is true. And the real reason is that, and therefore first option, both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Then sixth one, in a calcium fluoride, sixth question, in a calcium fluoride CaF2 having fluoride structure, the coordination number of calcium 2 plus ion and F minus ion are. So actually calcium fluoride will be forming like this. I am drawing a cube. Here calcium atoms occupy the corners. as well as at the face center, at the center of the face. Let me divide each face. 1, 2, 3. I have divided each face. All right. Now at the center of the face also 1, another center 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Let be 6. Now there are totally calcium atoms how many? 8 corner atoms, contribution 8 into 1 by 8 which is equal to 1, and there are 6 atoms at the center of the face, contribution for the unit cell of, therefore 3. Total number of Ca2 plus ions I can say 4. Fluoride ions, if we take fluoride ions, F minus ions, they occupy at the center of a tetrahedron. Which tetrahedron? We can imagine to have 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we can consider only this particular cube. A cube is formed in between, and if you imagine it is made of 8 cubes, I can segregate into 8 cubes. One cube may be comprising of these 4. So at the center 1, 2, 3, 4. At the center there is a fluoride ion. Likewise, at all the, see, if I imagine a small cube, one part I can take out. We have a calcium here and a calcium here, a calcium here and calcium here. This is what shown here. Likewise, there are 8 segments, 1, 2, 1, back 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 segments. At the center we have a fluoride ion. At the center we have fluoride ion. It is a fluoride ion. It occupies the center of the tetrahedron. One towards that corner, another one that corner. Then this corner, that corner. So this particular fluoride ion is present at all the 8 places. 1, here in between the center, another one 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Likewise, there will be 8 fluoride ions, and all the 8 fluoride ions belong to that unit cell. And therefore, number of calcium ion will be 4 and the number of fluoride ion will be 8. All right. This is how the calcium fluoride is arranged. Calcium, all the calcium ions at the corners, all right, as well as at the center of the faces. Then the fluoride ions, where they are present, there are 8 segments. If we consider 8 segments, one such segment I have taken separately, and it is placed at the center of the tetrahedron, where it is nearest neighbor 1, 2, 3, 4. That corner, this corner, this corner, that corner, likewise. So there are 8 such fluoride ions, and therefore the answer for the question is 8 and 4. The coordination number for calcium ion and the fluoride ion is 8 and 4. How the coordination number become 4 for fluoride ion? 1, 2, 3, 4 only. For calcium ion, it is all the 4 fluoride ions here and all the 4 fluoride ions above. So 1, 2, 3, 4 in the 4 cubic segments and the 4 above segment for this particular calcium ion. Likewise for everything. So it will have 8 neighbors for calcium ion and 4 neighbors for fluoride ion. So coordination number for Ca2 plus 8, F minus 4. Then 7th question. The number of unit cells in 8 gram of an element which crystallizes in BCC pattern is. For a BCC pattern, body centered cubic unit cell, for a body centered cubic unit cell, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 corners and 1 at the center. So 1 at the center of the body, it is fully for this unit cell. 8 into 1 by 8, contribution 1 by 8, therefore 1 plus 1, 2. So BCC totally has 2 atoms per unit cell. 2 atoms per unit cell. Alright. Now the question is, number of unit cells in 8 gram of the element X. Number of unit cells in 8 gram. So molecular atomic mass is given as 40 gram. If 2 atoms are present in one unit cell, 40 gram corresponds to 1 mole of atoms. And if 2 atoms are present, let me say 2 moles of atoms in 1 mole of unit cell. 1 mole of unit cells, if we consider, it will have 2 moles. 1 unit cell, 2 atoms, 1 mole of unit cell, 2 moles of atoms. So 80 gram, if it has got, it will have 2 moles of atoms and 1 mole of unit cells. 1 mole of unit cell means 6.023 in 10 power 23 unit cells. This many unit cells in 1 mole. 40 gram contains 2 moles of atoms. 40 gram contains 1 mole. 80 gram contains 2 moles of atoms, but 1 mole of unit cells. Because 2 atoms contain 1 unit cell, 2 mole contain 1 mole unit cell. So 80 grams should contain these many unit cells. And in 8 gram, that is the question. So 1 by 10. With divided by 10, you will be getting 6.023 in 10 power 22 unit cells. So the number of unit cells present in 8 gram of an element X in BCC pattern is 6.023 in 10 power 22. Alright. Then the number of carbon atoms per unit cell of diamond. In diamond, it is arranged in FCC. In diamond, the carbon atoms are arranged in FCC. FCC means face centered, you may be knowing. 8 corners at the corner, 8 and 6 faces. So 8 into 1 by 8 plus 6 into 1 by 2. So 1 plus 3, 4 atoms may be available if it is FCC. But along with that, what is happening in diamond? There are tetrahedral holes in FCC. 8 tetrahedral holes. If 4 atoms are present, if n is equal to 4, tetrahedral holes will be 8. 2n, therefore 8. Among the tetrahedral holes, 50% of the holes are also occupied by carbon atoms. So 4 atoms due to 8 corner atoms 1, due to face centered atoms 3, along with that due to 50% of tetrahedral holes occupied 4. So total number of atoms present in diamond unit cell, FCC unit cell of diamond is 8. So the number of carbon atoms per unit cell of diamond is 8. The 9th question, in a solid atom, M occupies CCP lattice, cubic close packed lattice, and 1/3 of tetrahedral voids are occupied by atom N. All right, M, let it be N, it has N atoms. 1/3 of tetrahedral void. Tetrahedral void will be how many? 2n. If we have n atoms, tetrahedral void will be double the number, 2n. And 1/3 of it is occupied by n. And therefore, if we have n atoms of M, we will be having 2n into 1/3. 2n tetrahedral voids, 1/3. And therefore, the molecular formula will be MnH 2/3 of n. When n can get cancelled, Mn 2/3. If it is made whole number, M3N2 is the molecular formula. So D option. Then 10th question, the composition of a sample of woodsite is Fe.93O1. What percentage of iron is present in the form of Fe3 plus? Percentage of iron in the form of Fe3 plus is asked. So total number of atoms comprising of Fe2 plus and Fe3 plus is found to be 0.93. Let me say X moles of Fe3 plus and Y atoms of Fe3 plus are present. The total is found to be 0.93. That is the meaning of this molecular formula. Actually, if it is simply Fe2 plus atoms, it will be FeO only. Since few Fe2 plus are replaced by Fe3 plus, to make the charge neutral, the number get reduced. So total number of Fe2 plus and Fe3 plus together has become less because of the intervention of few Fe3 plus ions replaced for Fe2 plus. Alright. Now, you are asked to find out the percentage of Fe3 plus which has replaced Fe2 plus. That's what it is asked. So how to find out? The total charge of the molecule should be neutral. Total number of atoms, this many, total charge is neutral, and Fe.93O1 is made up of Fe2 plus, maybe X atoms of Fe2 plus. Am I correct? Then Y atoms of Fe2 plus, it may be 0.93 minus X atoms. Total number 0.93. If Fe2 plus is X, Fe3 plus should be 0.93 minus X plus 1 into oxygen, that is minus 2 charge. X into plus 2 charge, X into plus 2 charge for Fe2 plus, 0.93 minus Y of 3 plus charge, plus 3 charge, and then 1 atom of minus 2 charge put together should be 0. So 2x plus 2.79 minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. That means minus 1x plus 0.79 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 0.79. That means we have 0.79 atoms of Fe2 plus. The ratio is 0.79 moles. And then remaining Y, how many? It should be 0.93 minus X. That is 0.93 minus 0.79, which is equal to 0.14. 0.14 Fe3 plus. So total comes to 0.93. 798993. All right. Now the question is percentage of iron in the form of Fe3 plus. This percentage is asked. In 0.93, the percentage is 0.14, therefore in 100. That is the question. In 0.93, we have 0.14 and therefore in 100. What may be the percentage? It may be a little bit higher. 14 divided by 93 into 100. So the percentage may come to 15.05. So 15.05 percentage. All right. The next question. The ionic radii of A plus is given as 0.98 into 10 power minus 10 meter. That of B minus is 1.81 into 10 power minus 10 meter. We are asked to find out the coordination number of each ion in AB. So coordination number they asked. It can be calculated based on the radius ratio. Radius ratio between cation and anion. So radius ratio of cation and anion. Let me write like this. Now for the cation anion ratio, the simplest value 0.155, smallest value. Starting from the smallest value 0.225 and then 0.225 to 0.414, 0.414 to 0.732, 0.732 to 1. So it is for coordination number 3, 4, 6 and 8. It is trigonal planar, tetrahedral, octahedral and cubic. Example may be B2O3 for trigonal planar, and then zinc sulfide for tetrahedral, sodium chloride for octahedral, cesium chloride for cubic. The value can be easily remembered also. How? Let me divide these numbers, coordination numbers by 2. You will be getting 1.5, 2, 3 and 4. What is the square root of 4? 2. Square root of 3? 1.732. Square root of 2? 1.414. Square root of 1.5? 1.225. Just subtract this number. Subtract 1 from this number. If I subtract 1, it will become 0.0, it will become 0.0414, it will become 0.732, it will become 1. Those values are found here. Root of 4, root of 3, root of 2, root of 1.5 and the values we are getting -1. That's all. So you will be getting 1 point, 1 point, 1 point here too. Here subtract. So between this value, coordination number 3, between this radius ratio 4, likewise it goes. Now for this cation and anion, what may be the ratio? It comes approximately 0.5, 98, 1.81, the half of which is 0.90, therefore more than 0.5 you will be getting into 10 power minus 10 into 10 power minus 10. Get cancelled. So the value may be 0.5 something, exact value need not go in. So it comes in between this value, above 0.414, therefore it is octahedral. Coordination number 6, octahedral, may be sodium chloride. Alright. Then next question, 12th question. Cesium chloride has BCC arrangement. Its unit cell edge is 400 picometer. So it is body centered cubic. CSCl belongs to body centered cubic arrangement. There is a center, at the center we have an atom, corner atom here, this corner atom, body center and then that corner. Let me draw differently, should be drawn little bit bigger. One atom, second atom, third atom. So it is the radius, 2 radius and 1 radius. 4R. So the diagonal, this diagonal will be 4R. For this may be root 3A. Root 3A. It is A. It is A. If we go in for this diagonal, you will be getting root 2. But this diagonal, starting from here to here, it will become root 3A. And therefore, R will be equal to root 3 by 4A. The radius will be root 3 by 4A. Now the question is, its unit cell edge length is 400 picometer. Alright. Its interatomic distance is asked. Interatomic distance means 2R is asked. Radius is not asked. Interatomic distance, one atom, second atom. Interatomic distance is 2R. So 2R is asked. 2R is equal to root 3 by 2a. 1r means 4r is equal to this much. So in the case of body centered cubic arrangement, 4r is equal to root 3a, we should know. And in FCC, 4r is equal to root 2a, that we should know. And for simple cubic, 1 to 4, 2r is equal to a, that's all. 2r is equal to a in the case of simple cubic. All right. So now 2r is equal to, for body center, 2r is equal to root 3 by 2a. A is given 400. So 2r is asked, that is asked, is equal to root 3 by 2, 400 into 400. So that's what option D, root 3 by 2 into 400 picometer. Then 13th question. A solid compound XY has sodium chloride structure. Sodium chloride structure. If the radius of the cation, maybe X plus, is given as 100 picometer, the radius of anion Y minus will be, that's asked. Radius ratio, it is similar to sodium chloride, therefore coordination number 6, therefore octahedral, all those things will be getting. Alright. So sodium chloride and therefore octahedral. So the value will be 0.414 to 0.732. Here among the given value, either within this value, anything if they give, we can accept. So the question is radius of anion is asked. We know that Rx plus by Ry minus is equal to maybe 0.414 or 0.732. Within that we should get. All right. And it is given as 100. So what is Ry minus is equal to 100 picometer divided by either this number or that number, or between any number. If it is given, that is the option. So the only option is A. The option A is 100 by 0.414. Say so. Option A is the correct one. Then question number 14. The vacant space in BCC, body centered cubic, vacant space they have asked. In simple cubic, body centered cubic and face centered cubic, we have seen the relationship between radius of atom and edge length. Now packing efficiency also we can see. For simple cubic, packing efficiency is 52.31%. Is packed. And in BCC, 68% is packed in BCC, and FCC 74% is packed. Now the question is, in BCC, vacant space they have asked in percentage, 100 minus 68, which is equal to 32%. All right. So C option is correct, and it is asked in March 2020 examination in Government of Tamil Nadu question paper. Then 15th question, the radius of an atom is, radius of an atom means R, it is not ion, atom, 300 picometer. All right. And then if it crystallizes in a face centered cubic lattice, the length of the edge, for FCC, 4r is equal to root 2a. 4r is equal to root 2a for FCC. Don't forget these things, we should remember always. Radius of atom is 300 picometer. If it crystallizes in face centered cubic lattice, the length of the edge of the unit cell. So A is, they asked, A is equal to 4r divided by root A, root 2. 4 into 300, 1200 picometer divided by 1.414. The answer may be 14, 8 times of 14 may be 112. So 848.5 is the correct option. When this divided, you will be getting 848.5 picometer. Then the fraction of total volume occupied by the atoms in the simple cubic is the fraction of the question number 16. The fraction of the total volume occupied by the atoms in simple cubic. Total volume occupied by atoms. How many atoms are present in simple cubic? In simple cubic, there are only 8 corner atoms. 8 into 1 by 8, which is 1 only. For simple cubic, only 1 atom is present. For body centered, along with 8 corner atoms, 1 atom is present at the body center. Therefore, 1 plus 1, 2. For FCC, along with 8 corner atoms, 8 into 1 by 8, 1, plus 6 space centered atoms, 6 into 1 by 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So, for simple cubic, only 1 atom. For body centered cubic, 2 atoms totally per unit cell. For FCC, per unit cell, 4 atoms. So, now simple cubic. The fraction of the total volume occupied by atoms in a simple cubic. So, it is simple cubic. What is the total volume of the cube? Can you say the total volume of the cube? Edge length A. Therefore, total volume of the unit cell is A cube. Total volume of the unit cell is equal to A cube. In that A cube, what is the volume occupied by actual atoms? 8 atoms are present. The radius of the atom is A by 2. Only 1 atom is present. 8 into 1 by 8, therefore only 1 atom is present. Therefore, R is equal to A by 2. Radius of the atom, it is a cube. And the radius is A by 2. Therefore, what is the volume occupied by? Volume occupied by actual atom. Actual atom. So, volume of a sphere, it is cube. Here atom will be in the form of a sphere. Volume of a sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, where r is radius of the sphere, that is atom, radius of the atom, which is A by 2. Now, r should be replaced by A by 2. 4 by 3 pi into A by 2 into A by 2 into A by 2, because A by 2 cube, whole cube. So, 4 by 2 and 2 get cancelled. 2 into 2, 4, 4 and 4 get cancelled. So, volume, actual volume occupied by a single atom is equal to pi A cube by 6. 2 into 3, 6, pi A cube. So, the ratio, volume occupied by the actual atoms divided by total volume of the unit cell. So, volume occupied by the actual atoms pi A cube by 6. Total volume of the unit cell is equal to A cube, it has to be divided. So, A cube and A cube get cancelled. Therefore, the fraction of the volume occupied by actual atom is pi by 6. So, option B. Then 17th question. The yellow color in sodium chloride is due to. So, how do we get yellow color in sodium chloride? When sodium chloride is heated in the atmosphere of sodium, what is happening? The sodium ion, sodium vapor will lose electron to become Na plus ion. So, on the surface of the sodium chloride crystal, that sodium ions will be found. And the chloride ions which are present in the crystal lattice leave from its site and go nearer to Na plus. It is because of that vacancy is created. In that vacancy, in that center, electrons enter in. So, excitation of electron in F center takes place. In F center, sodium chloride crystal, sodium, if we say sodium ion, chloride ion, of course difference in size we have. If one chloride ion leave from its site, the E minus ion enters in. It is because of that, it is said to be F center. In that F center, electron enters in, because of that, it becomes yellow in color. Then 18th question. If A stands for edge length of a cubic system, simple cubic, body centered cubic and FCC, then the ratio of radii of spheres in these systems will be. So, ratio of radii of these spheres. We know that radii of simple cubic R is equal to A by 2. That is what I have given here. Radius of body centered cubic system R is equal to root 3 by 4 A. For face centered cubic R is equal to root 2 by 4 A. Therefore, ratio is A by 2 is to root 3 by 4 A is to root 2 by 4 A. All right. So, upon simplification, almost we have simplified. Here we can divide everything by 2. If we divide everything by 2, we may get A is to root 3 by 2A is to root 2 by 2A. So, the correct option may be, and this option is not found, this is found, A by 2, C option, half A, root 3 by 4A, 1 by root 2 root 2A. It can be 1 by 2 root 2, because 4 can be written as 2 into 2. If I take, cancel out, it is root 2. So, A by 2, root 3 by 4A, 1 by root 2 into 2A. So, option C is correct one. Then 19th question. This 19th question. If A is the length of the side of the cube, the distance between body centered atom of one corner atom in a cube will be the distance between the body centered atom and one corner atom. So, what is the question means? So, here one atom, here another atom, here another atom. 1, 2, 3, all right. So, the question is the distance between body centered atom and one corner atom. So, they have asked the distance to R, that is all right. The distance to R they asked, distance between one atom and a corner atom. So, 2R in BCC they have asked, 4R is equal to root 3 by root 3A, therefore, 2R is equal to root 3 by 2A, that is all. Option D. The question is distance between body centered atom and one corner atom they asked, therefore 2R they asked, not radius they did not ask, they asked 2R. Go into question number 20. Potassium has a BCC structure, body centered cubic, with the nearest neighbor distance. Nearest neighbor means between two atoms, it corresponds to 2R, that is diameter. 2R is equal to 4.52 angstrom unit, which may be converted into meter because answer is given in per meter cube. 4.52 into 10 power minus 10 meter. All right. Then its atomic weight. Atomic weight is given as 39 for potassium, 39 gram per mole. It may be converted into kilogram because answer is given in kilogram per meter cube. 39 into 10 power minus 3 kilogram. Gram we have converted into kilogram, of course, per mole. Now, the density is asked. How to calculate density? For density calculation, we know the formula. Density rho is equal to n number of atoms in the body centered cubic. It is 2. N is equal to 2 into molecular mass, here atomic mass. Atomic mass is given as 39 into 10 power minus 3 kilogram, all right, divided by number of atoms divided by volume of the unit cell. A cube is the volume of the unit cell into number of into Avogadro number. All right. So density, mass of the atoms, mass of the atoms present in the unit cell divided by volume of the unit cell. Mass by volume will give density. So 2 atoms are present, we multiplied it with molecular mass and we are divided by Avogadro number. Therefore, we will be getting the mass of 2 atoms present in the unit cell. When it is divided by volume, we will be getting density. So A cube, what is the edge length? Edge length may be calculated from 2r. For BCC, 4r is equal to root 3 by A, root 3a. For BCC, 4r is equal to root 3a. Therefore, 2r is equal to root 3 by 2a. We can divide both sides by 2. 2r, we know the value for 2r, which is equal to root 3 by 2a. All right. Now, we need a cube. So, a is equal to 2 by root 3 into 2r. A is equal to 2 by root 3 into 2r. 2r value we know. So, we can substitute in the place of A, we can substitute this value. So, A cube is nothing but 2 by root 3 into 4.52 into 10 power minus 10 meter whole cube into now Avogadro number into Avogadro number. So, this we know 4r is equal to root 3a, 2r this much, therefore root 3 by a, 2 into a is equal to 2 by root 3 into 2r, 2r value we have substituted and therefore instead of a we made this into, it has to be multiplied by Avogadro number. Let me write again, rho is equal to 2 into 39 into 10 power minus 3 divided by 2 by root 3 into 4.52 into 10 power minus 10 meter whole cube into Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 power 23. So, upon solving, you will be getting the answer 915 kilogram per meter cube. You just try, and all those steps I need not do now to waste the time. You just, because we have converted kilogram, unit kilogram we have got, it is kilogram per mole only we have got, and the meter cube we are getting. So, you will be getting the correct answer 915. A option is the correct option. So, next question 21. Schottky defect in a crystal is observed when? So, Schottky defect mostly observed in sodium chloride crystal, Na plus and Cl minus ions. They are present in alternate places. Sometimes the sodium ion, equal number of sodium ion and chloride ions may leave from the regular site. So, equal number of cations and anions will be missing. It is because of that the density get reduced. The molecule on the whole will be neutral, but the density get reduced. So, correct option will be B. Equal number of cations and anions are missing from the lattice. All right. Then question number 22. The cation leaves its normal position in the crystal and moves to some interstitial position. The defect in the crystal is known as Frenkel defect. Maybe silver bromide. So, we have silver ion and bromide ion continuously, silver ion, bromide ion, silver, bromide. Likewise, silver, bromide, silver, silver ion, bromide ion, silver ion, bromide ion. Likewise, we have. I need not draw very neatly. So, if silver ion leave from this position and occupies some place which is intermediate, not its regular site, then it is known as Frenkel defect. So, cation leaves from its normal position and occupies interstitial position. It is known as Frenkel defect. All right. Option C. And 23rd, Again Frenkel defect comes in. Due to Frenkel defect, density of the crystalline solid decreases. No. Only in Schottky defect, density decreases because equal number of cations and anions leave from their site. Whereas in Frenkel defect, the cation leave from the regular site, occupies interstitial place, therefore density will not be altered. So assertion is wrong. In Frenkel defect, cation and anion leave the crystal. No, it won't leave the site. That is also wrong. Therefore option D. The crystal with a metal deficiency defect is, we have seen already, FeO. In FeO we have Fe2 plus and O2 minus. Since Fe2 plus leave from its regular site, few Fe3 plus ions comes in. Because of the intervention of entry of Fe3 plus, few Fe2 plus molecules have to go out, ions have to go out. For example, if one Fe3 plus is entering in, 1.5 Fe2 plus has to go out. 2 Fe2 3 plus if comes in, 3 will be going out to make the charge equal. And therefore, the number of ions get reduced, and already we have seen Fe 0.3 to 0.98 we may get. Oh. It is because of the number of Fe3 plus ions which are entering in, number of Fe2 plus ions will go out, and therefore actual number of ions get reduced to make the charge equal. When 2 Fe3 plus is coming in, 3 Fe2 plus will go out to make the charge equal. 6 plus is going out, therefore only by leaving 3 Fe2 plus ions from its site, the charge can be nullified. And therefore the number of atoms get Fe2 plus ions get reduced, and it is known as metal deficiency defect. Finally, question number 25, where they have given boxes containing, see, totally 9 cubes they have made. Out of 9, one is darkened. Alright, the darkened one, black square is considered as X, white square is considered as Y. If we have one black, we have 8 white. So molecular formula is X white Y8. That is option A. So almost we have covered solid state, all the 1 mark book back questions which covered all the aspects, including number of factorial holes, and then radius ratio, and number of atoms in everything, and relationship between radius and edge length, and almost all packing efficiency, calculation of density, all those points we have covered, and those points may be very much useful in competitive examinations. And in the next class we will be seeing few questions for NEET and IIT. Thank you.